Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set up Google Ads server-side tracking for your e-commerce business. Before set up Google Ads server-side tracking for your e-commerce business, you have to first create Google Tag Manager account. And I believe you can easily create Google Tag Manager account because it's very easy task. And if you don't know how to create Google Tag Manager account, don't worry. I have already video on this topic. You need to just check my video description. There I will put my previous video link. That's it. Then you can easily create Google Tag Manager account. After create Google Tag Manager account, you need to connect Google Tag Manager account with your website. That means assume this is my website and it's a e-commerce website and it's just a testing purpose website. That's why you can see it's not like a very professional, but assume it's your real website. Now what you need to do, you need to create Google Tag Manager account and then you need to create one web container. After that you need to connect this tag manager account with your e-commerce website. And in this video I'm not showing you how you can connect Google Tag Manager account with your website because it depends on how your website build. Like if your website create through WordPress, then you need to follow one process. If your website Shopify, then you need to follow another process. So that's why I don't know what is your website, like how you build your website. That's why you have to find out. If your website made by Shopify, then you need to follow another process. So I have already video on separate topic like how to connect Google Tag Manager account with WordPress and Shopify and with another CMS. You need to just check this video description, then you need to watch my previous video, like maybe 1 minute video, then you can easily connect Google Tag Manager with your website. And I believe you can easily do it because it is very easy. And now what we need to do, assume it's your website and here your Google Tag Manager account, and already this tag manager is connected with this website. Now first we need to create conversion in Google Ads. So first for that you need to open your Google Ads account, and if you hover on goals section, here you can see conversion, and under conversion section here you can see summary. If you click on summary section, then you can see here is like new conversion action option. You have to just press on it, and here we are going to create some conversion. After that we will set up everything. Okay, so first let's create, and here you need to just edit your like you need to paste your website URL link. So I'm going to copy this website link and just paste here like this, and after that just click on scan. Here maybe take 1 or 5 seconds. After that you can see like Google Tag not installed yet. You have to just click on like done. We'll set up this later, no problem, and then click save and continue. After that, for e-commerce business, let's see what kind of event we can track. For e-commerce business, our primary event is purchase. So let's first create purchase. That means when someone complete a purchase or checkout flow. Okay, so click on purchase. After that you need to click add conversion action, then select untitled tag, and here you can see two options, but here you have to select first one, like set up manually using code. And if you press on this, then you can see conversion action button. Select this one, press on it. Then here you can see auction optimization, and for purchase event we will select this for a primary action used for bidding optimization, this option. And scroll down, here you can write your event name, so like conversion name, and this is purchase event, so I like to add here like GTM, so we can remember this conversion setup through GTM. Okay, after that here you can see value section, and value section for e-commerce business you have to select use different value for each conversion. Then just scroll down, and here you can see like count section. For count section here is two option, one is every, another one is one. For e-commerce business you have to select every option, and scroll down. You can see like some option you don't need to do with this section, you can just leave this and then click on done. After that our purchase conversion purchase event creation is done. Now we need to create more event. For that just press on add another category. Then here let's see what type of event we can create. Here we can see like we can create for e-commerce business like add to cart, then checkout. So let's create add to cart event first, then select add conversion action and same thing, just manual coding. We need to select this time secondary, because add to carts not our primary event. Okay, so make it secondary, then scroll down, add here your event name like GTM. Okay, and then select different value for each conversion, and it will be every. Then scroll down, click add. Let's add another category. Just click on see all, and here you maybe see checkout event. Just select checkout event, add conversion action, untitled tag, and again using manually code conversion settings. Also we should select as a secondary action, then just add here like GTM, and it will be same different, like use different value for each conversion. In the counting section it will be all like every, and here just press on done. Okay, after that just click on save and continue, so that our 3 conversion event creation is done. Now you can see purchase and token checkout. Okay, so then click use Google Tag Manager, and here you can see some option like conversion ID and conversion category, conversion name, and here you can see conversion label. Okay, perfect. So just stay here, and now what we need to do. Okay, so now open your Google Tag Manager account, and here we need to go preview mode because we need to create some trigger here. Then we can send data from web container to server container. Okay, so let's go preview mode, and as you know, when you go preview mode from GTM, here you have to paste your website URL link. This is my website link, and after that I need to click on connect, and here we can see it's connected. Maybe yes, tag assistant is connected. We can verify that by opening tag assistant tab. Here you can see window is loaded. That means properly tag manager is connected with our website. Now you need to just purchase one product for testing purpose. Like when you go product page, you can check, like I am here in the product page. If I go tag assistant tab, I should see here is view item event. That means we can create trigger by using this event name. And if I expand this, here you can see here is my product details. Okay, like event name, view item, and currency USD value, and also items. Okay, item name, item ID with price and quantity. And now if I click on add to cart, then here I should see add to cart event, and same information is here. Now if I go like go cart page, I can see cart event name here. Also if I go checkout page, I should see begin checkout event here. Yes, and with like product value. And now if I purchase this product for testing purpose, I can see purchase event in here. So let's purchase this product first, and let's place on order. And here you can see like thank you for your order. That means product purchase is complete. Now if I go tag assistant, here I can see purchase event name, and if I select this event name, here I can see my product details, event name, and also user data. Okay, so first thing first we need to create some triggers. So for that you have to go trigger section, and here you can click on new, then select trigger configuration. You have to select here custom event, and then go tag assistant tab again. Just I need to create some trigger like let's see what type of event I have created here, like purchase, add to cart, checkout. Okay, so let's go tag assistant tab, and first copy event name purchase. Just copy purchase name like event name, and create paste here this event name. Just click on save. Here you need to write your event name, your trigger name. So how you can write this? This is like add to cart, so I need to write here add to cart trigger. That's it. Then click on save. And now we need to create some trigger for begin checkout and purchase, so that we need to create some more trigger, more two trigger. we can simply copy this ticker and easily create another one. So let's copy this ticker name, and from here I need to copy now begin checkout event name. So here I am begin checkout page and copy event name, and simply just change your event name this one, and here will be like checkout event. So let's add here checkout event name. Yes, checkout event, then click on save. So as we can see here, our 2 ticker creation done. Now we need to create another one for purchase ticker, so that we can copy this and just copy purchase event name, just copy this event name and just paste here as a event name. Okay, then paste here your event name, just change here event name also, I mean ticker name will be purchase ticker, then save your ticker. So okay, our 3 ticker creation done. Now we can just simply send this data web container to server container, and then from server container we can send our event to Google Ads. How we can do that, let's see. So first we need to set up some tag. Okay, before set up some tag, we should create one container. I mean, we should create server container. To create server container, first open admin section. I mean, click on admin section. Then here you can see container. This is our web container. Now we need to create server container. To create server container, click on plus icon, and here you can see container name. I mean, you can see container settings, and here you have to write your container name. For example, this is my shop website, like the ecom website, so I can put here like the ecom server. That means I can remember this is server container. And after that you can see a target platform, and target platform will be server. Select server, then click on create. So here you need maybe 1 or 5 seconds. After that you will see new interface of this container, and now here you can see install Google Tag Manager. So we are going to use Stape. For that you have to select manually prevision tagging server, and here you got your container config. You have to just copy this URL first, then you need to create Stape account. So let's see how you can create this. And now if you want to support this channel, you should go step through my link, and you will find this link in this video description. So check first link on my description, then click on link, and you will be redirect here. This is my referral link you can use if you want to support my channel. And when you land this page, you will see a screen like this. To create first account, you can select first like try for free. Let me click on this option, try for free, and when you click try for free, you will see like sign up option. So here what you need to do, you have to paste here one email address. So I paste here one email address. This is fake email address, and then you need to select like global, or you can select UA, and then just click sign up with email. Oh sorry, you have to select this option and then click sign up. And now what you need to do, you need to just open your email, and then you maybe got one mail from Stape. You have to just verify that. So this is email from Stape. So if I open this, then I can maybe see set password, and here you can see set your password at Stape. So you have to just paste here, I mean into right here your Stape password, and here I'm going to add my password so that I can log in Stape account. So password creation is done. Stape maybe redirect me. Yeah, so Stape just redirect me their account, I mean their dashboard, and now you can see Stape account dashboard. So let's work with this, and here you can see this is Stape interface, and here you can see this is Stape interface. What you need to do now, just click SGTM, and here you can see a GTM container, and here you have to click create SGTM container. Then and here you can see container name. Here you have to write your website name like this. the the ecom shop. I just add here, and here you can see container configuration. So you maybe remember this, we got container configuration code from our account, I mean our GTM account. Yes, you have to just copy this config code and then open your Stape account, just paste here. That's it. Then here the important part, you can see server location. Choose your server location based on the location. Most of your client location cannot be uh, changed later. That means if you select any location, you can't change it later time. So just select your location like regular only, and then here I need to select my location. As you know, I'm from Bangladesh, so, and for me I can choose Singapore because Singapore is very close to me because I'm from Bangladesh. So then create a container, just redirect this, and now you can see new option like subscription plan, monthly or annually. You can choose whatever you need and scroll down. For this video I'm going to use free container. For free container I'll get like 10,000 requests free, but you can select which plan best for you based on your website size. If your website big, if your traffic very high, then you should select like pro, or you can select first pro plan only, then you can see what's going on, then after that you can upgrade your plan. Okay, so let's create first account, then I need to select upgrade container to next there automatically, then just continue with free plan because I'm going to make this video for you, so I don't need to any paid plan for now. Okay, so you can see like running, that means our container is ready, that means our server account is ready. Now what we need to do, we need to just copy one thing. Before that we should create one at custom domain. Okay, so this is domain from Stape, but we need to create custom domain, and here you can see domain name. You need to just put here your subdomain name. So I need to just put here like HGTM, then my website domain name. So just add here domain name, and you need to just, you can write here whatever, like you can only write here STT, that means server side. You can write here SST, that means server side tracking. Also if you can write only shop, whatever you can add here. So I just add here SGTM, and then you need to just scroll down, and here you can see manually and automatically. You need to just, you can select anyone, but I like to use manually. Then select next. After that step give us maybe a CNAME, host name and value. Okay, so here you can see one thing, that is like type will be CNAME, and this is our host, and this is the value. So what we need to do now, we need to just add correct record from the table value to your domain. Step will verify and add this custom domain to the container. It can take up to like 7 to 2 hours. So let's see how we can add this on our DNS record. Okay, so first I need to open my website backend. Okay, so you can see this is my DNS management backend, and now if I scroll down, let me scroll down. So here I can add new record. So just add a record, and from step account what I need actually I need to select type will be CNAME, then host name like this. I can copy this and then open my DNS management system, and here I just paste here my website, I mean this link, and then type will be CNAME. Then here I need to copy value, just paste here this value. Okay, so yeah, done. Then click update DNS, and that's it. Your domain record add is done. Now you can check from step account. Here if I select like verify, it will show me it's properly connected or not. Maybe it will be connected within a minute, maybe verifying. It's take some time, it's just verifying, so give me some time to verify this, then I will start video again. Or maybe it's just verifying, try to verify my domain. Yes, you can see it's done. So our domain verification is done. What we need now? Okay, so now we need to just copy this name, this name, domain name from here. Now you need to copy domain name from here and open your Google Tag Manager container. Just close this, go admin, because we need to connect Stape account with our server container, and then click container settings, scroll down, click on add URL, and here you have to paste this URL link that you copy from Stape account, and that's it. Just save these settings. So yeah, that's it. You just connect your Stape account with your server container. So now what you need to do, you need to go just web container. So it's properly ready. Now open your web container. So I'm going to open my web container. This is my web container. So you can see here, this is my web container GTM account, and now we need to send data from web container to this server container. This container, this is server container and this one is web container. And now I'm going to send data from web container to server container. For that, what we need to create tag. So what type of tag we can create? Just select here Google tag. Through this tag, I'll send data from web container to server container. How you can do that? Let's see. So first you need to paste here your Google Analytics measurement ID. How you can put here your measurement ID? Let's open your Google Analytics account first. So let me open one Google Analytics account, and then click on admin section. I need to just close this tab. I don't need this. Okay. And here if you scroll down, then you should see one option name is data stream. If you select, if you click on data stream, then you will find your account details, and here you can see your measurement ID. You need to just copy your measurement ID and then open your Google Tag Manager account and paste here your measurement ID. That's it. And you need to select here triggering all pages, and it's by default automatic selected, so I don't need to change here anything. Okay, and then here you need to do one thing, that is you need to open configuration settings, then select add parameter, and here you need to write like server underscore con, not double c, container, and oh my god, URL, then it's done. You can see here it's done. Okay, and here you paste this value that you copy from no, sorry, not this one. You need to paste here this URL that we copy from Stape account. Now which one? No, not this one. Let me copy again from Stape account. Yes, this one. Just copy this. Okay, just open Google Tag Manager and paste here this URL, direct this, or if you want you can create one constant variable, then you can assign here. Okay, so let me add another parameter, that name is send page view, it will be like true. Okay, so then you need to just save this tag, and this tag just send your it will be like GS, not this, it will be like GA4, not GA5, GA4 config. Okay, so this tag sent data from web container to server container. Okay, now we need to create more tag. So just click on new and select tag configuration. Here you have to select Google Analytics, then select Google Analytics and GA4 event, and here you can see you need to put your measurement ID again. For that we can save our time through using constant variable. So you need to go variable section, and if you search here constant, you can see one variables. You can just paste here your measurement ID to create one constant variable. Like this constant variable name will be like GA4 and ID. Okay, so we can use this variable again. Okay, so just assign here constant variable. You can see tag is found in this container. Okay, perfect. Now you can see event name. So our event name will be like add to cart checkout and purchase. Why? Because here you can see we create free event like purchase, add to cart and checkout. Okay, so we can use we can create free event here. First event will be add to cart. So let's add here add to cart, and you can just copy from here. Like if you scroll down also, you can see here, if you see scroll down, add to cart event name, so you can also copy event name from here and then just paste here like this, paste here. Okay, so yeah, then you need to select triggering and just assign here add to cart trigger, and we need to send some event parameter with this tag like um, product, items, product, value and currency. How we can do that? Let me show you one thing. If you go tag association tab, you can see this is my data layer like event name, add to cart, and in this data layer section, this uh, data layer format like GA4 schema. So as we know, if your data layer format is like GA4 schema, you can easily send all variable through these settings. Like if you open more settings and if you select send e-commerce data source data layer, and if your data layer structure like this, okay, like GA4 schema, then these settings automatically capture all product information. So my data layer structure is like GA4 schema, so I can easily send this. Then if I check this, then automatically this future capture my all information from data layer automatically, so it save my time. Okay, and now I need to write here my tag name, and tag name will be GA4 add to cart tag, and so remove this tag section. Okay, GA4 add to cart, and then one thing, you need to send another parameter. That one is like event settings variable. From here you need to create new variable, then again select add parameter, and here you have to add server container URL, then paste here your server URL link. Which one? We need to again go on server account. Yes, we need to go server account again. So this is Stape account, copy this name, just paste here. Okay, perfect. Then save this variable name will be like server URL. Okay, then click on save button. Okay, so here you can see I just assign here this, then you can just save this tag. Actually, if you assign here this URL, that time when this tag is fired, also this tag send this event name to server container. Okay, it's better recommendation, you should use this. And then again we need to get more conversion, we need to create more event for more conversion. So simply we can copy this tag name, and now for this time I will use checkout. So let's select here checkout, and I need to change event name, and event name I can copy from data layer. It will be like begin checkout. So copy begin checkout name and copy in web container, change here your server, change here your event name, and you don't need to do anything with here, like these settings you can leave like this. It's these settings. Also you need to change here your trigger name. Okay, so this time our trigger will be like checkout trigger, and everything looks okay. Then just save this trigger, save this tag. Perfect, our two tag creation done. Let me create another one for purchase, and just wait little bit, my networking issue. So copy this one and just add here. This time will be event name purchase, right? Yeah, okay. So from here you can add here like purchase, and this will be same, and it will be also same, because this option automatically capture my information from data layer. Again, if your data layer structure like GA4 schema, then it will be work, otherwise it not work. Okay, so let me close this, select triggering, and then save this. And Now maybe you thinking how you can enable data layer for your website. Okay, again same thing. If your website made by WordPress, then you should go with one approach. If your website create through Shopify, then you need to follow another approach. And I have already separate video on this topic. And I don't know what is your website, so I can't show you a specific thing for a specific website. Like if I show you for how you can enable data layer for Shopify, then you can't do it for your WordPress, right? So I have separate video on those topic, then you can easily enable data layer. And for this you need to check my video description. You will find my previous video link, like how to enable data layer for Shopify, how to enable data layer for WordPress. Okay, fine. I believe you can easily do it. Now what you need to go preview mode, then you need to check we create tag in web container. Now those tags should send data from this web container to server container, I mean here. Okay, then from here we will create new tag for Google Ads, then our setup will be done. And if this full setup is very confusing for you, and if you need my help, then you can book call with me, then we can discuss how I can help you. Okay, so let me check my setup properly working or not. So now I can just close this tag assistant tab and also this thank you page. Then I need to go web container, then go preview from web container. Okay, first go preview from your server container. Okay, so I hit on server container button. Here I can see my server container preview mode is open, and now I need to go web container and select preview mode. I mean click on preview. That time this tag is loaded, and I need to again click on connect, and here you can see tag is connected. If I go server container, here you can see our server receive page view event. So now from this preview mode, if I go any product page, that means view item, server maybe not receive any view item event because we haven't sent this, right? We haven't set up tag for view item. You can see here. If I open text section, yes, I didn't set up any event for view item. But if I go tag assistant tab, here you can see gtag is fire. And if I go this page and if I click on add to cart, this time our server container receive add to cart event name because we set up add to cart event in web container, and also we assign with our tag Stape URL, so that through this URL GTM web container send data in server container. And if I purchase this product, let's purchase this one, go cart page and proceed checkout, and if I place order, let me save this. Okay, so if I go tag assistant, you can see my all tag is fire. And if I go preview mode from server, you can see here server receive purchase. So yeah, now that means this is our web container. From this web container properly send data to server container, and here we can see we receive all event in server container, and from this server container we can send data to Google Ads. How you can do that, let me show you. So first you need to go tag section. Okay, before create any tag, first I need to create some trigger and then variables. So go trigger section in web in server container, then click on new, select trigger configuration, select custom event, and here if you go here you can see like some event name purchase. So you need to just copy this. Okay, you need to just copy this event name, like purchase name, event name is purchase. Just copy this name like this here and paste here just like this, and save this event name like purchase trigger, and this configuration from server container. Okay, it's like we send data from web container to server container, and from server container we are configuring everything to send this information Google Ads. Okay, so let me create another 3 trigger easily. So check this section one, another one will be begin checkout. So copy this event name and paste here event name, then change here event name, then change here your trigger name like begin. Also you can write here checkout, then click on save. Okay, so 2 trigger creation done. Now we need to create another one. and that will be like add to cart. Which one? Yes, this one, add to cart. So copy add to cart and then just paste here your event name, add to cart, and also change your trigger name. Fine, then hit on save button. Now our 3 trigger creation done from server container, and here you need to just go variable section. We need to create 2 variable, so just go variable section, select user defined variables, click new configuration, and here you need to select event data, and if I go here you can see, if I select here event data, we can see some, yes, like value, this product value that I order here, you can see same value here. So you have to copy this name, event data name, then paste here this name like as a key path, then save this event data like ed value. So that means event data value means your product value that we sent through web container to server container. Another one, we need to create same event data. We need like we need currency. What is the currency? Let me check currency variable. What is our currency? Yeah, this one. Copy this parameter name and paste here. Okay, so just save this as a ed currency. So another one, I need that one will be like transaction id, and transaction id we can get from purchase event. So here we should see transaction id. Yes, this one. Just copy this transaction id and copy in any ed variable, I mean yes, ed variable, event data variable, and paste here this variable name, change your variable name, and then just save this variable. Okay, so so our variable creation also done. Now we can easily create tag. So go tag section and go click on new, select tag configuration. First create conversion linker tag, and it will be all pages like it. Then save these tags. It's done. Now what you need to just go again, tag configuration, select Google Ads this time, and now you need to select Google Ads conversion tracking. Okay, so now we need to go this Google Ads account. To implement first purchase tag, just copy your conversion id, and here you can see conversion id. Let me create one constant variable so that we can use again this one conversion id. So just select constant, paste here conversion id. It will be like gads id, then save this constant variable, and it will be assigned here automatically. Yes, it will be assigned. And we need conversion value, so that we can copy conversion value from here and paste here conversion value. Then we need to assign conversion value, sorry, this will be like conversion label, and this will be conversion value. Just assign here value. So value will be like ed value, currency will be currency also. Yeah, done. And yes, then you need to write your tag name. Tag name will be gads purchase. Okay, it's like this. Yes, gads purchase. Let me check again. Yes, everything looks okay. Then just click save. Fine. So now again we can copy our tag name, I mean we can copy our tag, and we can easily change this, and this time it will be like checkout, and here we need to only change our conversion label. So copy checkout conversion label from Google Ads and replace with this, and you don't need to change anything here, just you need to change your trigger name. So yeah, two tag creation almost done. Now we can create another one for add to carts. So just let me change this event name add to cart, and then we need to change here our conversion label. Just replace this with your real conversion event, conversion label, and select your trigger. This time trigger will be add to cart. That's it. So yeah, our setup is done. Now what you need to upload, you need to submit your container from server container, also from web container. So yeah, it's done from this side. Just complete this section. Yes. So let me check again everything is working or not. So let me close this. So yeah, this is our server container and this is our web container. We first sent this data from web container to server container through GA4 tag, and then from server container we send data to Google Ads. Okay, so I think it makes sense. And now if you go Google Ads and click on finish, you should see here like inactive tag because we didn't run any ads, so that you can see here inactive. But when you test this, you can see here is no conversion action will be show. But when you run ads campaign and get some sales from your Google Ads, that time you can see this conversion will be active. Okay, and now time to check everything from scratch. So let me again go preview mode from server and also from web. So this is our web container, this is our server container, this is server, this is web. So let me see everything is working fine or not. And if you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like this video, and if you want you can subscribe to my channel for more tracking related videos. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, it's connected. GA4 is a page view, and if I go any product page, let's have GA4 yes, our container didn't receive any add to cart because we didn't click on add to cart. Yes, now if I click add to cart, then server container receive add to cart event and it's already fired successfully, and this tag send data to our Google Ads. Okay, so maybe you understand this. Now let me purchase product so that you can see my tag is fire here. Also from server container my all tag is fire, and if I go server container you can see my all tag is fire. Yes, if it's a summary, all tag is fire. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can set up Google Ads server side tracking for your e-commerce business. And one thing, you have to send also user provided data from your web container. So if I go purchase event here, I can see some data like with this, like here you can see some data like user information. So what you need to do now, you need to just copy some variable like this. Let me show you so that you can understand. And one thing clear is our proper setup is done. Just we need to send user information through server container, through web container to server container. So for that you need to just create some data layer variable. I'm going to show you one for now. Let me show you, like if you want to send user email for e-commerce business, you have to send all information to Google Ads, but I'm showing you one. Okay, so and I believe you can easily send all. How? Let me show you. So let me just send you user email. So first you need to copy user data like this. This is one object, as we know if you have JavaScript knowledge. And so to access email you have to just copy first user data, this name. Let me copy user data and here add user data, then you need to add here dot because I want to access email, and under this object this email is exists. So I need to copy this email name and then just add here. Now you can just save this variable like DLV. Also you can write here like user email, yes, then save it. So you need to create more variable like this to send this all data to Google Ads. And I'm going to show you one, because if I show you everything that means my video will be very long and also you will be boring, and I assume you can understand how to send this. And when you have just create all these variable, you need to just assign here one new variable, just name is user provided data, this one. Then here you can see two option, automatic collection, manual collection. You have to just select email from, okay, you have to select here email like this. And also when you have create like when you create this all information, that time you can select here like phone number, like the assume this is phone number. And also you can assign here variable. You need to first create variable, then you can assign here, and after that you can just save this user data user provided data variable. Then you need to one thing, that is you need to go your tags, and here you need to just select your purchase tag, then open your tag and assign here new assign here new parameter like user underscore data, and then just assign here your user provided data, this one. Just that's it. Okay, so I believe you can easily create this all variable and then assign with this tag, and if you submit this container and if you test this, it will working fine. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's how you can set up Google server-side tracking for your e-commerce business. And if you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.